This is the best homemade Greek yogurt, plain yogurt, Greek yogurt, yogurt, the yogurt you will ever have in your life. Subscribe, follow for more recipes. Let's make it. It's very early in the morning, but I am obsessed with this new yogurt maker that I got. I found it on Amazon, so of course I have to share it with you guys. It's called the Ultimate Probiotic Yogurt Maker. I'll link to it down below. Here are the boxes it comes in, and then I highly suggest you get this, which is the additional Greek yogurt strainer. It is a 2 to 3 day process, but work with me. I'm gonna film every step so that you guys can make your Greek yogurt at home and you will be obsessed. Here's what you need. The Greek yogurt strainer, we're gonna use this after 36 hours, so I'm gonna put this aside. The yogurt maker is right here, super easy. It comes with these little 1 quart Tupperware thingies, and I'm gonna make everything in there. You don't even need an additional bowl. You also need a yogurt starter. I got this on Amazon. I'll link it below. It's really well rated and it works perfectly. I've got 4 cups of whole milk and 4 cups of half and half. We're gonna mix these all together in these bowls, and we're gonna make the world's most delicious plain yogurt. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna create a slurry. Each one of these packets will make up to 1.5 quarts, so I'm gonna use 1 packet per quart here. What that is, those are the prebiotics. Now you can put inulin in this for some extra fiber, but you don't have to. It makes the perfect yogurt with just the starters. What I'm gonna do is ladle out just a little bit of milk, maybe a couple tablespoons, into each one. This is where you need the baby whisk. We're gonna whisk it. You don't want little chunky fibers, so make sure they're whisked up pretty good. This is the hardest part about it. Oh, my arm. It's easy. So now we're gonna take 2 cups of the milk. Oh, I'm making a mess. That's cool. I hate a mess. I'm always so perfectly clean when I cook. Now we're gonna divide this half and half evenly. And yes, you will fill this up to the top. Guess what? We just made yogurt. JK, we need 36 more hours. I know it seems like a long time, but what are you gonna do in 36 hours? You know what I mean? You have your life to live. Go live your life, and in the interim, wait for your yogurt to cook. Okay, this thing's super easy to use. You plug it in, you turn it on, you walk away. We are ready to cook our yogurt. Everything is in, we set it in this machine. Isn't this grand? This is super easy. It's gonna cook at a low temperature for 36 hours, but we have to have the water bath. And the reason that is to keep the temperature consistent. Fill this basin pretty high. You don't wanna touch the plastic lids, but you wanna get it up there pretty high. Put on the top. This is where it takes patience. We're gonna turn this on. Let's put the temp at 100. The time, 36 hours. Start. I will be back at 7:30 p.m. tomorrow night, and we're gonna see how this beautiful yogurt has shaped up, and I'll show you how to use the strainer. It has been 36 hours. I started yesterday morning at 7:30 in the morning. Now it is 7:30 in the evening the following day. And I bet you're wondering, will this blowout make it to tomorrow? We'll find out tomorrow. Take these guys out. Now, you're gonna wanna dry these off. It's a little bit liquidy. It smells like homemade yogurt. The yogurt is done. I've removed them and dried them off from the water bath. And now what I'd like to do is open one and give it a little taste. This looks so good. Tastes like plain yogurt, but guess what? We're gonna make it into Greek yogurt using the ultimate strainer. Again, I'm linking to this down below. Here's what's going on with this thing. It's got a little sieve bottom, and I'm gonna pour both of these into this strainer, and all the whey is gonna fall out, and then it'll be left with just thick, creamy Greek yogurt. 1, 2. And I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and me and my blowout, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Folks, it is the next morning. My blowout has lasted. The yogurt is ready. It's been sitting in the strainer overnight. As you can see on the bottom here, That is the way. This is so creamy and delicious. It is smooth. Like I'm like rolling my spoon. I want you to see how insanely good that looks. This is plain Greek yogurt. There is no sugar in here. It's sour. I love getting the 5% plain Greek yogurt at the store. I love this with some fresh fruit, some nuts or a granola. I always keep it low carb. My husband has this. He adds honey to it. He does his granola and fruit. You can puree some fruit. You know how to eat yogurt, but this is worth every penny of the purchase price. This is flippin' delicious. Going in my mouth. Recipe down below. Links for everything I use in this video down below. Make sure that you subscribe and you follow for more recipes, and then I'll make more videos.